Hello my friends, today we are going to solve this puzzle. We have a cube with a side length of 10 and we need to find the absolute shortest path from the start point at the bottom front corner to the end point at the top back corner, moving strictly along the surface of this cube. Pause and try to solve it yourself and then we can solve it together. The most obvious and simple guess is to simply walk along the edges. If we go to the right, then up, and then back, so giving us a distance of 30. But I think we can do much better. Actually, to find the true shortest path, we need to change our perspective. The trick to any surface path problem is to flatten the 3D shape into 2D. Let's unfold the cube. Imagine taking the front face and the right face and laying them flat side by side. Now our start point at the bottom left of this new rectangle and our end point at the top right. In 2 dimensions, the shortest distance between any 2 points is always a straight line. Let's look at the dimensions of our new triangle. The height is just the side of the cube, which is 10, and the base stretches across 2 faces, so it is 10 plus 10, giving us 20. To find our shortest path, in this case it is the hypotenuse of this triangle, we just use the Pythagorean theorem. So 10 squared plus 20 squared will give us this distance squared. It is 100 plus 400, which is 500. So distance squared is 500, then distance itself equals to the square root of 500, which simplified to 10 times square root of 5. So this is our answer. The shortest path from start point to the end point is 10 times square root of 5. Thank you for your time today. Subscribe for new puzzles, like this video, and see you.